Morgan. The time is 3:40 p.m. And nakakasama, shout out to Sir Asti, Sir RP. Dito kami guys sa Vito Cruz. Busy oh. Busy oh. Tayo guys. Yan, Vito Cruz Station. Hingal ako guys. Nakahingal. Tayo, ayan na nga. University Mall, Macdo, at ayun po yung Lasal. Magkatapat po yan, Lasal. Then meron din po dito sa kanan. Yun na yan. Okay. Shout out sa mga pogi ko na mga po-teacher. Oh. Pogay. Sir Arvin. At saka si Sir Rusty na busy.
Sabihin mo ma'am, okay, nandito po ako sa gitna ng Riles.
Ayo. Wala pa. So again, continuation of the vlog guys. I am here again in Vito Cruz Station. So our time now is 15:47. It's 3:47 p.m. At ngayon po ay araw ng Martes, December 9, 2025. Bilang shout out to Sir Jan. Sir Jan! You can ride in LRT here, Sir Jan. Shout out also to Ma'am Sadi. Hi Ma'am Sadi Neil. Sending hugs and loves to you, Ma'am Paula, Tia Tomas, Ma'am Uli. Advance happy birthday, Ma'am. God bless you, more blessings, and stay safe. Stay as sweet as you are. Stay pretty. Rooting that you guys, you and Daggy Boy, will be soon a married couple. Tuloy pa rin po tayo. Medyo madami na po ang nag-aantay. So kanina hindi po ako nakasakay, gawa ng punong-puno po yung LRT. Ayan, yung sa tapat papunta yan ng Gilmore to pwede din po ng UN, then to Central, then to Carriedo Station inside of Manila. Tingnan nyo guys ang may mga basura. Kami Kalawang.
Sige na lang po, papaparating ko yung train. Panatili lang po sa mga maraming train. I-double check yung mga nalagang namin. Saan po, ang wallet, lagi niyo po ilatan.
Yun na guys, galing yan ng Paranaque, Dr. Santos. Puno. Ayan na! Parating na siya. Dami pa yung dating guys. Jubilee Church sa Aklan.
Let's start the day with a smile so wide, with the warmth of the sun and joy inside. Housework awaits, but I'm ready to go, with morning light and coffee glow.
Labas na ako guys. Time is 5 p.m. This is the ground of Barangay Baclaran Church. The biggest church here in Manila. One of the biggest church. Baclaran Church. Dinadayo po ng marami tuwing Miyerkules. Okay, so ayan ang labasan guys. Labasan na ako guys.
Overrun t-shirt 100, overrun t-shirt 100,
Alam na guys.
t-shirt 100, overrun 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 t-shirt